Hello everyone. Myself Rutuja Malik, and today's my topic name is what is climate changes. So the first of all, introduction of the climate changes. So the climate change is refers to the significant of a long-term alternations in the Earth's average climate patterns. It is a primarily driven by the human activities such as the burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and the industrial processes. And these activities are released from the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrogen, nitrous oxide, NO2, atmosphere trapping heats, and the such many other things. They are responsible for the climate changes. And the causes of the climate changes is a greenhouse gas is a emission and burning the fossil energy and production, the transportation and industrial processing. It is a largest source of greenhouse gas emission are created. Then the deforestation, certainly we are down for best, there is especially a capacity of the CO2 contributing to higher atmosphere and the greenhouse gases. So the another is a industrial process. In a industrial manufacturing processes, agriculture, and the waste management is a release a significant of the amounts greenhouse gases is a in atmosphere. Greenhouse gas in atmosphere it is evidence of the climate changes. Rising temperature in a global average term, temperature we have been increasing with the each decades, and this since 1970s is warmer than previous ones. Melting ice caps, so the melting ice caps, so the polar ice caps and glaciers are melting at accelerated rates and contributing the rising sea levels. Ocean, and the another is a ocean warming. It is a absorbing much of the heat from the global warming, leading and the thermal expansion and the sea level rise. Then the another is a extreme weather events. Climate changes is a inherited the heat and linked to increase into the frequency and intensity of the extreme weather event such as hurricanes, heat waves, and a drop and a heavy rainfall event. Impact of the climate changes in environmental changes. Climate changes are affect on the ecosystem such as the biodiversity and leading to the habit loss, species extinction, and the distribution of the ecological process. Another is a human health impact of the climate changes is generally more on a human health. It is a respiratory disease and the spread of the vector home disease. Economics impact, the impact of impact of the climate changes is a significant economic cost, and the through the damages of the infrastructure are lost productivity and increase the healthcare expenses. And the another is a social impact. The climate changes is a extravagant social displacement of the population and a conflict over resources. So the another is a vulnerable. So certain regions are more vulnerable because of the impact of the climate changes, including a small island nation and a coastal areas and developing countries with the limited resources with the adapt with the changes of the climate changes. So the another things are the reducing greenhouse gases. So the reducing greenhouse emission of the reducing greenhouses gases is a renewable energy sources, improving efficiency, and the implementing the policies of the limit emissions from the transportation and industry. Then the and there are a impact causes of the greenhouse climate changes. So thank you.